Good morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner with me, Ollie O'Donnell and Paul Renkin. Andrew is off on a road show today, so it's us again. Paul, how are you doing?
I'm very well. Awfully nice day outside, I see.
Yep. Another day of nearly 30 degrees in London, and I think there's one more before the rain starts.
I did a bit of barbecuing last night and turned out to be the best day so far of outdoor barbecuing for this season.
Excellent. What have we got out today? There's a bit of gold news for Pure Gold.
Yes, that's right. Pure Gold, which is dual listed, London and Toronto, gold producer in the Red Lake District of Ontario. They reported a new milling rate record, one-day milling rate record now on the ramp up of their mine there in the Red Lake District. So they're making very good progress there. They had a single day record of 1,000 tons a day of ore treated, which is 30% higher than the current design capacity of 800 tons a day. And they averaged 870 tons a day during the last week of August. The mine average stope grade is running at 6.5 grams gold this past month, and their underground mining ramp is advancing at the rate of 6.5 meters a day. So they're making very nice progress there as far as the operations are concerned.
Yeah, I seem to have pulled it back after a slow start and a couple of extra fundraisers to build working capital towards the end of last year and the start of this year. So picking up momentum now. We'll stick to commodities. Oklo Resources.
Yes, Oklo, that's a ASX listed West African explorer, primarily in Mali, and they've declared a new gold discovery about 10 kilometers to the southeast of their existing Dandoko permit deposits. This one called Sari, and it's a discovery that was made on drilling underneath some gold arsenic auger drilling anomaly that they came across on that license. And they've come up with several meters intercepts running 1 to 4 grams gold in several holes now. Now that's at the north end of an anomaly that they defined over 2.4 kilometers, and so they're pretty excited about that. But not only that, they have another anomaly which is even larger at 6 kilometers in length, which they haven't yet put drill holes into. So looking very interesting there for Oklo. Dandoko, I have to say, Dandoko itself is shaping up. It could be a standalone mine in its own right, but when you have other mineralization this close by, then you're talking about extended mine life and satellite deposits and that sort of thing.
Well, I guess all those charts we've been looking at for the last few years saying how few discoveries there have been wasn't for a lack of deposits, just a lack of drilling.
A lack of drilling, and also the indications are that where the property positions aren't quite large enough in order to enclose enough defined resources into the big scale above 5 million ounces.
Let's go to another ramp up at Tirupati.
Yes, this is news. Tirupati Graphite is a London quoted graphite producer in India and Madagascar. This came out yesterday that they do have their Vadamina mine plant now up and running. That is the latest expansion project for Tirupati, representing about 9,000 tons per annum of flake graphite production capacity, adding to the 3,000 tons of capacity they already had in Madagascar. So they're up, they have a capacity now of 12,000 tons for the year, and essentially trying to build scale behind the corporate story.
Great. Anything else out there? Probably got time for one more.
Yes, I have to mention here that Kazera Global, which is the AIM-quoted tantalum explorer in Namibia, they have signed a 3-year offtake deal with the Chinese firm Zhejiang Jinshin Non-Ferrous Metals. for tantalum offtake. Kazera in the past had produced small quantities of tantalum concentrates from Tantalite Valley there in Namibia, which had gone to the USA for qualification testing and so forth, but has always struggled up to this point to have enough capital in order to bring the operations to sustainable commercial scale. So maybe the Chinese will be able to do that for them this time.
Okay. Great, Paul. Thanks for your insights. And it'll probably be Andrew back tomorrow. Speak to you soon.
Very good. See you then.